Alright guys, today, my first video actually, so it's probably gonna go weird. I'm improvising this as I go. So, as the first thing, no one could really recommend something for me because this is my first video. So I'm trying a cough syrup. Alright, so I'm gonna be starting with my base, honey. Okay, so I'm gonna take the honey and I'm kind of just gonna pour it in down as it goes. So I guess water would be next. It's hot water. It's weird pouring something out of it like that. It's not really a spout. Gotta mix the honey in there. Honey's automatically something you need for a cough syrup. I mean, it's kind of like a throat cleanser. Then I'm gonna go with roasted ground ginger. Sounds great. Looks kind of clumpy in there. Okay. Ooh, that looks weird. Oh, it smells weird too. Kind of smells like and looks like a sewage plant. I'm gonna take a quick sip. Pretty good right now. Very gingery. Next, we got ground cinnamon. Cinnamon challenge? No, I'm joking. Not trying to clog up my lungs. So, this reminds me of that toast I used to have. Honey and cinnamon toast. It's really good stuff, man. Really good stuff. Okay. It's looking even more like a sewage plant, just overflowed. Whatever. Uh-oh. Got peppers. Cayenne peppers. Yes. Oh. I don't know how this is going to work as a cough syrup now. It's probably going to make me cough even more. Are you trying to prank me? No? It keeps getting even more brown. Last but not least, apple cider vinegar. The worst of them all. I can't believe I'm doing this. Oh! Oh, that's a strong taste. Oh! I'm gonna need a top overview. Look at the top of this stuff. Now that, my friends, looks like looks like a sewer plant. Tastes like one too. I have to do. Here's my rule for this channel now. You have to take 2 sips of it or more. Oh. I'm done with that.